Hi guys, today I am going to show you Hamilton Beach 1.7 of the liter cordless stainless steel kettle. From this side, you can see how much water you can fill the kettle. It starts from half liter till 1.7 of the liter. From this side, you can see light legged. They added for to make sure it is working or not. Start button. From upside, they add a flexible door with lock. It is very easy to use. I am going to start it. It takes 8 minutes to boiling 1.7 of the liter. After it finishes, you can make your drink. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.